Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be taking apart this Lenovo Ideapad 3. I'm just going to show you what's inside. I'm just making this clear, this is not a teardown video. I'm just trying to show you what's inside, whether or not it's user upgradable, if you'll be able to expand the SSD or the RAM or so on and so forth. So let's begin. Okay, this seems to just use normal Phillips head screws, so you can just simply get a regular Phillips head screwdriver and just take it apart. Shouldn't be that hard. Okay, I'm just going to change the tip because this doesn't seem to be magnetic, so let me try another one. Nope. Okay, the screws in the front seem to be shorter than the ones in the back, so you have to keep them separate or keep that in mind so you know where to put them back. Okay, the ones at the front are extremely short, so it seems like it has 3 sizes. And I don't think you guys are going to take your system apart, so it doesn't really make any difference. So let me see if I can pry this open. Okay. Alright, let me see if I can use a pry tool or something. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't have any screws under the keyboard because that would be annoying. Okay, there we go. Nice. It has one sodium slot empty, the other one is soldered onto the motherboard. Let me zoom in for a bit. Hopefully you can see everything that I'm showing you. So you have one empty slot. That's nice. You can upgrade this to 8 GB. And it has what's this? An Intel 9560NG wireless adapter. That's good. And it also has M.2. I don't think this is NVMe. If it's NVMe, I'll leave this in the description so you'll be able to see it, but maybe it's just normal SATA, so this seems to be user upgradable. Not bad, but like I said, it's a cheap computer. I got it on Black Friday sale for $150, so yeah, if you got a kid that's going to school, it's a really good computer to start them off with. Seem to be better than I thought, because normally if you get a computer for this price, you'll be getting like a small PCB with everything built onto it. Everything would be crap. So yeah, I'm not gonna take anything else out. I'm not gonna disassemble everything. I'm not gonna tear it completely down, so I'm not gonna disconnect the battery or anything. I'm just showing you guys what's inside, so you know what you're purchasing if you can find this, because I think they're currently out of stock the last time I checked. But hopefully you can try your luck and you probably can get one if you really need one. But that's it for this video, guys. Really hope it helped, and thanks for watching.